with the Skeletons on Saturday, and I'll play with Vanessa, Mia, and MJ. I bowled a 92, a 129, and a 102 in the final game. I was very distracted because so many people were there for my birthday. After bowling, we got to practice lanes and did another hour with lots of my friends from school. It was awesome! And then the Hogwarts Express arrived from platform 9 3/4, and we all entered the Great Hall of Hogwarts to enjoy food and drinks and to learn all the new wand spells. It was so much fun! I am so grateful to all my friends for coming out and for my mom and Miss Kathy for making it look so beautiful. Oh, wait. My producer is telling me I need to open something. Okay, so this is a package. And a gift from Strike for Vets. They are a non-profit that helps with veterans with services they need. Now let's open this package, boys. OMG! How did I get another bowling ball? That smells nice and fresh, and also it smells like lavender.
That's very cool. Very cool.
Okay, here we go.
Go ahead.
Here we go.
I know.
Okay.
There you are.
Let's see here. Ooh. Ooh, it smells like lavender. Let's take a smell.
Let's take a look. That's pretty cool. It smells a little more like sangria than lavender, but that's just fine. It really smells cool. It really does. That's really cool. It really does smell like you just cracked open a bottle of sangria. Wow.
And I'm going to the pro shop definitely to get this.
We're going to have to card you. We're going to have to card you. You're bowling with a bottle of wine.
Wow. It's purple and black, and it says Storm on it, and tropical.
Pretty sharp ball, young man. Storm Tropical is a nice ball for someone your age. It's got a nice finish on it. It's got some pearl finish on it with some charcoal and some purple going on. It tells you at point blank that it's a USBC inspected and improved ball. So it'll work just well. I love the smell.
Every time that I smell it, it just makes me go like.
Storm has a reputation of adding a lot of fragrances to their cover stock. So they all smell, each line smells a little different, and tried other things. I have a few that citrusy and berry and stuff like that.
So how long does the smell last?
Probably longer than you'll keep the ball. So
Okay.
it's embedded in the cover stock, so it'll unless you do something to it and have them polish some of the cover stock away, it'll last forever, for as long as the ball works.
Ooh, there are two different smells. Smell the black.
I can't believe I'm sitting here sniffing a bowling ball, but that's okay.
Thank you, Strike for Vets, for this bowling ball. I love this bowling ball. If you want to go bowling with me, be sure to join me at the end of this week, Saturdays at Anaskins on OBT at 10 a.m. in the morning, bro. Thank you, Strikes for Vets, for my special bowling ball.
It's very cool. It smells terrific. It really does.